Dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in the chapter of Determinants. Okay, I think 8 questions we have completed, 8 classes. Now we are going to complete 4 more classes, 4 more questions today. Question number 9. Let alpha and beta be the roots of this equation, quadratic equation, 2 roots. Alpha, beta we will find. Then for y is not equal to 0 in real number or r, see this determinant is equal to how much, like y plus 1 alpha beta, alpha y plus beta 1, beta 1 y plus alpha. Okay? First of all, you have to submit this alpha beta values from here. Okay? See, let us try to solve that equation and we will see what will come under. Okay, see, 1 into 1 is 1, but again 1 has to come. If we add or subtract, 1 plus 1 minus 2 or plus 2 will come, 1 is not going to come. Then what you have to do? You cannot go factorization, we will go like this, you see. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. 2 into 1, that is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3 by 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. If you remember, this is plus or minus means omega or omega square. That is equal to omega and omega square. Okay? What are omega square? Cube root of 1. Okay? And one more property also we know, 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Like that. Let it be. Now what we do? We will submit, say, I am taking alpha is equal to omega, beta is equal to omega square. Okay? 2 roots are there. 2 roots, alpha and beta. Alpha and beta value I am substituting, you see. Now determinant how it is going to change. Y you cannot change. Alpha you have to change omega. Beta you have to change omega square. Okay? Now alpha again omega. Y plus omega square 1. Omega square 1. Y plus omega. Okay, that is equal to, right, y plus 1 into, okay, see, y plus omega square into y plus omega. Shall I write what one go? Y square plus omega y plus omega square y plus omega cube. Okay? Minus 1. This also keep like this one. Okay? Minus omega into, okay, see, omega y plus omega square. Omega y, omega square. Minus omega square. Okay? Afterwards, plus omega square into, see, omega minus omega square y, again minus omega to the power of 4. Okay? This much of story is there. Let us proceed. See, rather than multiplication part internally, can you do something? Why? Because see, omega cube value is 1. We know very well. 1 minus 1. Shall I cancel directly? Okay. Why I am cancelling? Omega cube value is 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Cancel out. Okay. And enough. Here enough. Omega by omega square by y square are there. Okay. Let it be. We will take afterwards what we can say. Common and all. Here see plus omega square minus omega square. Here also you cancel out directly. Okay. And here you have to, what we can say, expand, then only cancellation are going to occur. Okay. Okay. Let me do it. Okay. Now you see that is equal to, I am sending. See now inside cancellations are not there. With y with 1 I am doing. Okay. With y, if you do, what will happen? Y cube plus omega y square plus omega square y square. That's all. With 1 also you have to do. Plus y square plus omega y plus omega square y with 1. Okay. With y and with 1 we have done. Minus omega square y. Okay. Over. Plus omega square plus omega cube minus omega to the power of 4y again minus omega to the power of 6. Okay. Now see for cancellations. Any cancellations are there? Yes. See, omega cube is plus 1, omega cube whole square, 1 square, minus 1. That means, shall I cancel these two? Omega cube and omega to the power of 6, both are same, but minus, plus and minus. Okay? That is one thing. Another thing, you see, minus omega square y plus omega square y square is there. Omega square, yeah, here only is there. You see, adjacent. Plus omega square y minus omega square y. You two cancel out. Okay, here only omega to the power of 4y is there. Let it be. Okay, see, I am modifying y because still cancellations are there, but you have to modify. You see, y cube you keep like this only, plus omega. See, y square, if I want to take common, omega plus omega square. See these two, y square, 1 omega plus omega square. Why I have taken like this? We know 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Omega plus omega square is equal to minus 1. If you keep automatically minus 1 here, minus y square plus y square, in the next step we are going to cancel out. Okay? Until here, okay. Oh, sorry, here. Okay? Now y square you keep, these two are going to get cancelled out afterwards. Y is there here. Okay? Y, omega y. Write down y. Plus omega y. See. Now you tell me this is plus omega y. Omega cube into omega y. Omega cube is 1. 1 into omega y, but minus omega y plus omega y. Here itself we cancel out. You need not write this. Omega y, omega to the power of 4y. Y plus and minus. Omega cube is 1 into omega. Okay? This you need not write. Okay? Now still further, see what I want to say. Y cube minus y square plus y square. Y, omega plus omega square is minus 1. Minus 1 into y square is minus y square. Minus y square plus y square. Cancel out. Final value is how much? Y cube. This will be your answer. Okay? Let us go for next question.